Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Tech Scene ZA and welcome to the 10th episode of Project Broken Tech, where we turn a floppy disk into a mini display flower pot. Okay, so first of all, what are we going to be needing? We're going to be needing our floppy disks, and to make the shape we need, we're going to require 5 disks. 4 for the squares and 1 for the bottom, right? So I have 10 here. We're going to make 2 of those flower pot things. Alright, so floppy disks. We're going to be needing a glue gun. We're going to be needing, I'm using 2 KFC containers, and I'm going to be planting our plants into the KFC containers, right? So I have some decorations, white stones and some marbles, and then we're going to be needing our plant and the soil for the plant, obviously, right? So let's get going to the build. So I started off by laying them all in a straight line and then putting 2 pieces of masking tape so I know that they're straight, and then the masking tape helps where I bend it. It's going to help it keep it in place when I'm sticking it, right? So now all we're going to do, hold it 90 degrees and then run our glue gun down the side, and then repeat the process for the other side. 90 degrees. Alright, so this is our first box done, and now we repeat the process to make the second box. Okay, so now I've cut my KFC container, and the small problem I have is my KFC container is too short to actually sit at the bottom of this box. So what I'm going to do, I have decorative stones here that I'm going to use to decorate on top. So I'm going to fill some at the bottom as well. And then I'm going to just lay our pot in there, and then around the container I'm going to fill some of our decorative stones as well. So now this is our semi-completed, well, the box is completed. We filled in all the decorative stones around the side. The next thing we need to do is go and get our plants and some soil. Okay, so that's our soil filled. Okay, I have to put paper so the soil doesn't mess. Just fill it with the mess. Okay. Oh, here we have plant number 1. Plant number 2. Plant number 1 here. More soil. Okay, so we have our final touches, some decorative marbles and pebbles and stuff. all around. This is our project complete. So these builds are actually kind of leading up to something. With the table and this is leading up to something bigger which we're going to use in the studio. And I mean, it's been 10 project broken techs and it's been amazing. The things that we've built, and most of them get used. The clock is still in my room telling me time every day. These things are on display. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by giving a like rating if you did, and comment how cool you think this build is, and if you think we should actually do anything else like this. If you aren't subscribed, please get subscribed. What are you doing? You're missing out on some awesome content. And guys, my name is Prashant and I'll see you in the next video.